Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Foundation Masterclass Property Preservation for Beginners 5-Day Challenge, Day 1. My name is Lori Robertson, and I want to welcome you to this 5-day challenge. I am so excited that you're here. And if you are ready to start your own property preservation business, then this is the place for you. Now, again, my name is Lori Robertson, and I have been in this real estate industry for the past 24 years. I have been in different aspects of this industry, from being a real estate investor to being a property manager responsible for multi-million dollar properties, but I never knew anything about the property preservation business. And this is what I want to share with you. Now, during this course of my career, I was in this industry where I was doing things to preserve the properties that I was responsible for, but I never knew that those things packaged together was an industry inside the real estate industry, and no one was actually talking about this. I mean, nobody told me anything about property preservation, and that's exactly what I was doing. I was preserving the property for other billion-dollar companies or million-dollar companies to keep their assets up and running so that they could continue to make money. Now, I'm not sure if people didn't really know about this business or they just wasn't talking about it, right? Now, there is not really a lot of courses or training out here for property preservation. So that's why I decided to share my knowledge and to show people how they can get their own property preservation business started and how lucrative it could be. So this 5-day challenge is the basis for this exact thing. There is no selling, there is no experience needed, and then you can start your own business right from the comfort of your home and in less than 5 days. Well, I shouldn't say less than 5 days. In 5 days following this challenge, you will be up and running to start to go out here and become a contractor for other property preservation companies that contract out. Now, this challenge is for anyone who wants to start their own business, grab a piece of this billion-dollar industry, and to make your own business recession proof. You can work when you want to work. You can do travel when you want to travel. You can do anything that you want to do. Okay. Now, if you're already in real estate as a real estate agent or a broker or an investor, this challenge is for you. You can have a cleaning business, a lawn care business, construction business, a plumbing business. You can be a handyman. If that's the case, this is for you. Or if you're just starting to decide that you want to be your own boss and you're tired of working that 9 to 5, this business is for you. This is where you start to become a property preservationist. So now let's get started. The first thing I want to do is I want to explain to you exactly what property preservation is. But before I do that, I just want to let you know that these 5 videos that I'm going to do for the next 5 days are not going to be long videos. I'm not going to hold you here. I'm not going to, tell you these long drawn out stories to bore you. I'm going to give you the nuts and the bolts, the meat. I'm going to give you exact steps that you can do to get your business started. I am going to give you homework. I'm going to give you things that you can do today in each one of these videos that I would like for you to take care of, and then send me an email and let me know that it was done. But I'm getting ahead of myself. But this is something that if you take the time and do each day's challenge, by day 5, everything is going to be in place for you to start your own business. So let's go. The first thing I want to share with you is exactly what property preservation is. Now, property preservation is the process of caring for the interior and the exterior of a foreclosed property. The property can be vacant or occupied. Property preservation business works with banks and other companies such as lenders who may have seized the property due to unpaid mortgages and or loans. This is also to provide services such as repairs, inspections, and insurance claims in order to keep the property up and to ensure it is being kept up properly. If needed, the property can be sold immediately. Property preservation may also be referred to as, going a little faster than the slide, but property preservation may also be referred to as mortgage field services. Now, since you may just be beginning your property preservation journey, I can give you a brief overview of what foreclosures are and the difference between service lines of the industry per this slide, but I think that's a little too far advanced for you right now, so I'm going to wait, and if there's any questions about it later on, I can answer it at that time. So now, the first thing I want you to do is decide what the best business structure is, i.e. a LLC. Then I want it could be like an LLC, a proprietorship, a corporation, but I want you to decide how you want your business structure to be set up. If you don't know, after this video, shoot me an email and, we can talk about it. And then we can decide what's the best way to set it up. Or if you're more comfortable, you can always check with a lawyer to find out exactly which way, or a tax person to see which way you want to set your business structure up. But you can set it up any way that you decide that you want. If you want to do it by yourself, if you want to work with someone else, but you need to decide. That's the first thing that you need to do, is how you want your business structure set up. Secondly, then I want you to come up with a business name. And the reason why, what I want you to do is actually come up with 3 business names. Sit down, think about what would you like your business to be called, because once you do that and then you set up your structure, you're going to get an EIN number. And then when you get the EIN number, the EIN number is going to be attached to your business name and how you set your business structure up. So this is very, very important, okay? So this is the first thing that I want you to do, okay? Decide the best business structure for you, LLC, proprietorship, corporation, however it is that you want to set it up. If you're going to be in business by yourself, if you're going to be in business with another person, or if it's going to be a family business. That's the first thing I want you to do. Come up with a business name. Actually, I want you to sit down and think of 3, and then obtain your EIN once you decide which one of those 3 that you want to have as your business name. That's all there is for day 1 challenge. That is it, right? That's all I need for you to do. That is your homework. See how simple and easy day 1 is? It's very, very important. It's simple, but it's important. So that's your homework for tonight. Once you have completed this challenge for day 1, I want you to email me the name of your business, and then I want you to tell me that you have obtained your EIN, okay? Also, if you need some help with deciding what the name of your business is, you can send me the 3 names of your business, so we can decide, which way it goes. We can talk about how you want your business structure set up, right? And then get your EIN. So that's homework for day 1. Let me know that you have completed these tasks. Email it to robertsonpreservation@gmail.com, so I know that you have looked at day 1 and that you have done the assignment. It's not going to take you that long. You can do it, but guess what? Once you get this out of the way, you're headed to day 2. And that's the most important thing, is you want to know what your business is, what the structure of your business is, and to obtain the EIN. You can't go any further without having a business name, how it's structured, and that EIN number, because you're going to use this for the next steps in the next days in the challenge. So I hope that this has sparked something in you, excitement or whatever, because guess what, guys? You are on your way to starting your own property preservation business. So that is all for day 1. I look forward to seeing you on day 2. Get to work on that homework and have yourself an amazing rest of your day.